stamps on a fraying bed, sleeping where the floor is cool, walls become my pet.
Inspired by a couple of people I met recently, I just took out all of my drawings I did last 2 years when I was traveling. I'm traveling and painting all the time. My paints or paintings appear day by day, and my paints, they fit in one or two small lunch boxes. If I am going far away, it definitely fits in one.
I walk through, valley gods appearing.
So for a long time I have been working like this for myself, but also created online courses and possibilities. But I feel now is the time for people to meet up and to create energy from the spot, on the spot. We meet, I am preparing some of these meetings, Bali, Gili, and also online. So to online there is a description in the box, but soon I will find the space and a place to do it offline.
Tap the corners, tape the memories. Let the strangers reappear.